right? And I feel like you have a very powerful presence, a very commanding presence, and you are a leader. And if you're not a leader in the now, in your role at work, even if you're not working, right? You are going to be a leader in this life. People look up to you. People admire you, whether they tell you that or not. You may have found that you were always giving to situations, and you may have felt that you weren't receiving back what you desired, what you actually deserve. But Spirit could see, and everything that you gave outwardly, you are going to receive tenfold. You may have placed yourself at the back burner, putting a lot of people in front of you. Now it's time to place yourself on that pedestal that you always place other people on. Okay? You have not been pouring into yourself. You have not been giving yourself the attention, the love that you actually deserve. You always felt that your needs were not important, and that's not true. And you may have felt that others benefited off you. Others benefited off of your energy, which left you feeling drained and depleted. And these individuals could be family members for some of you. And you may have felt that whenever someone was trying to give you an offer, a friendship, a romantic relationship, to collaborate in a business partnership, you may have always turned it down. And that was because you did not feel worthy. That was because you didn't feel deserving. Or others may have told you, others may have told you that you will never get somewhere in life based off your background or the job that you were working in. But at the same time, they were very threatened by you. They knew that what you possess within would guarantee that you would achieve great success. So these individuals work behind the scenes diligently in order to keep you stuck, very fearful of you realizing your true potential and power, because they knew once you tapped into your power, it will mean bye-bye to them. NSYNC, bye. I feel as if you are destined for greatness. You're full of so much love, so much compassion, empathy, and you don't see these traits within yourself. And that's why I'm going to remind you of who you are. You have so much skills and talents that you actually sleep on. And I feel as if it's because of maybe your surroundings, maybe your upbringing, etc. And it will be a lot to unpack in one day. I understand that. But if you just tell yourself daily about how amazing you are, about how beautiful you are, how deserving you are, it will make you feel good. Do something every day that's going to make you feel proud of yourself. And give yourself a pat on the back. Give yourself a pat on the back for getting this far. You are balanced. You are stable. You're still seeking the answers, because none of us have all the answers, right? But at the same time, you remain true to yourself. You remain true to your values. And Spirit doesn't want you to disregard your morals in favor to appease others. And if you felt that you were doing that in the past, there's no point. Because you could have been trying to appease people that want to keep you small, that didn't want you to see your true value and worth. You may have been around people that tried to copy your energy to gain the same blessings, but they were met with backlash. Your spirit guides are always with you. They're always protecting you. And some of you need to walk away from outdated thought patterns, people, places who no longer serve you. It's time to let down your guard. You have to understand that what you possess within, not everyone has the same attributes. You could be connecting with people that you feel are better than you when they actually look up to you. They want to drain your energy, drain your essence, and recycle it like it's their own. You gain a lot of attention and you don't know why. You may feel like, why is everyone staring at me? Why does everyone want to connect with me? Because you have so much abundance. But the abundance that you possess is not for everyone to access. Be protective of your energy. Not everyone deserves to have access to your energy. Remember, you are who you hang around. I always say that, and I live by that, for real, for real. But you got to start remembering who you are. You got to wake up. You've been sleeping. And I feel like you felt that you had to navigate this world with a cold heart. And that's not true. You've been hiding yourself, not stepping into your power. You are magnetic, magnificent. You are a guide to a lot of people. A lot of people come to you for advice. A lot of people look up to you. I feel for some of you, you are a guide, a spirit guide in this life. You know, spirit has casted an energy of importance, and we are all important, but your energy is very powerful, electric, magnetic. A lot of people feel very connected to you. They feel as if you are their soul sister, their soul mate. You live on your own terms, and you teach people to do so. You march to the beat of your own drum. You are eccentric. You are a warrior. You've been through so many things, and you did not allow your past to harden your heart. You are a protector of the underdog, because once upon a time you were that underdog. So go out there into the world and show the world who you are. There's no one like you. Stop downgrading yourself. You are one of a kind. Your